Oh, he is a tomato. Ow! Fuck. Today we are going to check out the first episode of Chainsaw Man. I read the whole manga a couple months back, so I'm very excited to see what's going on, to see if they did it justice, to see all the violence and the chainsaws and the explosions and all the weird shit that goes on in that manga. All right, here is Mr. Chainsaw Man. He will chainsaw things and stuff. Go. Oh, it's like a little CGI. I don't usually like CGI in anime, so. Look at this hobo right there. The art is really good. Damn. Animation. I thought he had both his eyes in the beginning. I might be wrong. I'm probably wrong. I'm not good at remembering a lot of things in anime or manga. Oh, he's so cute. Looks like a tomato with eyeballs. And teeth. Ooh, let's see if this intro is any good. I did see some clips on TikTok of the intro, but I didn't hear the song. Kind of look like they're cut out and don't belong in the background. It's a little weird. I like this song. It's a good song. Good stuff. Oh, he looks so good. Pretty good. Pretty good, decent intro. Nice, catchy song. Oh, he is a tomato. Got no money left. Poor Denji. This guy's got some weird looking eyeballs. Look at that car. Poor Denji. He's got nothing going on. He just wants the simple things in life. Like to touch a woman. And to eat more than bread. Such a sad story. Don't get in debt. Oh, he got shot. So sad. He's so pudgy. Ew, squid. It just reminds me of when people hold up cats like machine guns. It's the same look. I like the muted tones in this show. It's like not super bright and it feels more cinematic in a way. Which is pretty cool. It looks very good. I already know what's gonna happen since I read the manga, but it's still cool to see. I want to see how they do this. Oh. It's like a hobo zombie samurai. I wonder if they'll, like, how violent will they get with everything. Chainsaw Man's pretty violent, like, stupidly violent. I wonder if they're gonna show the scene I know that's coming up. It was pretty shocking in the manga. happened. How he turns into Chainsaw Man. Or what happens to poor Denji. Stupid zombie. Oh, those are smarter. They walked over it. Oh. Poor guy. I just feel so bad for him. Think about being stabbed to death by zombies, not even eaten to death. Like, stabbed. Oh, they're gonna show him. Yeah, they will. Poor guy. Oh. Oh, he got cut in half too. He just cuts down trees. I forgot. Only Japan can make a chainsaw look cute. So round, like so round. It's like you could talk. Oh. Oh my god. Just so excited. Very nice. Looks good. Looks good. Oh, oh yeah. That's great. They did not hold back on the violence. That's great. Very good. Bro, he's got a chainsaw head. You can't do nothing. Oh, man. God bless these animators, Jesus. Oh, God. Perfect. Bravo. Bravo. Good job. These zombies are like, oh, never mind. We're good. Oh, he just keeps going. There we go. Think about the smell. This is a smelly, smelly warehouse. Oh, there they are. I don't like her. Makima, I think her name was. Something like that. Totally forgot. I never liked her, the entire manga. Oh. It's not show no melting in the manga.
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は
ないね。
But that's cool, I
乗っ取りの顔を
guess.
見ればわかる
It's kind of weird.
ちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
Gonna be her pet. Don't do it. I mean, you'll get pretty good food, I guess.
朝飯はどんなの？
食
Always
パ
thinking
ン
about
に
food.
バターとジャム塗って。
It does sound awesome. Let's hear this ending theme, which is like movie credits, not like a normal anime ending. Interesting. Maybe the second episode will have a like animated ending. Good song, good song. You have to say Chainsaw Man in the song, so you know what it is. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. That was the first episode of Chainsaw Man. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for sure. Yeah, I really like that. I mean, animation, everything was like perfect. They put a lot of money into this anime for sure. I mean, the animation itself and the art and everything just speaks for itself. Yeah, I like Denji's voice. I don't know who does the voice acting, but it's pretty good. Pretty good. And everything so far follows the manga pretty accurately. I'll definitely be watching the simulcast. I'm excited to see if they go through the whole thing. Definitely season 1. I mean, you gotta go through the whole thing. I mean, the manga's done. There's no reason not to finish it in like a couple seasons or something like that. But yeah, that was Chainsaw Man. And if there's any other anime or anything you want me to react to, let me know and I'll go check it out and use my eyes and ears and react. Anyway, cool. Later.